Hi everyone. I've noticed that a lot of children like watching the singing videos on our YouTube channel, so I thought I'd do one today. And this is what we call in Green Class our singing bag, and it's full of lots of different things. It's got cuddly toys, it's got plastic animals, it's got lots of props and puppets inside, and what we do is we pull one out and we see if we can think of a song that goes with it. So should we have a go? Start with the song. Singing bag, what's inside the singing bag? Should we have a look? I'm going to put my hand in, and I have got... What's this? Oh, it's a teapot. Do you know a song about a teapot? I know one. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout. When the tea is ready, hear me shout. Tip me up and pour me out. There we go. Shall we see what else we've got? Singing bag, what's inside the singing bag? What have I got? Little mouse. Do we know a song about a mouse? I think we know one that's got a mouse and a clock in it. Are you ready? Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck two, the mouse went boo. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck three, the mouse went wee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck four, the mouse said no more. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Stop. We've had a mouse and a teapot. I wonder what's going to be next. My hand in. Oh, it's a spider. What song do we know about a spider? Now, a lot of you might know Incy Wincy Spider. Shall we sing that? Incy Wincy Spider climbed the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. We sing another one as well, when it's snowing. Incy Wincy Spider climbing up the tree. Down came the snow and made poor Incy freeze. Out came the sunshine and melted all the snow. So Incy Wincy Spider had another go. Do we have time for one more? Let's do one more. Let's have a look what we're going to have. Singing bag. Singing bag, singing bag, what's inside the singing bag? Oh, what have I got here? Oh, I've got a chopping board, and I've got, somewhere in here, I should have a knife. Let's see if I can find my plastic knife. Oh, can't find it. We're going to use our hand instead. So we're going to pretend to chop some vegetables for the soup. Are you ready? Chop, chop, choppity chop. Are you ready? Chop, chop, choppity chop. Here goes that one. We're going to start by chopping some carrots. So we're going to use a big knife. Should we use a big knife? Chop, chop, choppity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. All the rest goes into the pot. Chop, chop, choppity chop. I think I've got a pot in here. I can use the pot as well. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, it's hard to find things in this big bag sometimes. There it is. There's the pot. Put the carrots in the pot. Now we're going to have little tiny peas. So let's use a little tiny knife. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. All the rest goes into the pot. Chop, chop, choppity chop. else should we put in? How about some potatoes? I'm going to chop those really fast. Are you ready? Chop, chop, choppity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. All the rest goes into the pot. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Into the pot. And how about a pepper? Should we put some pepper in? Let's cut those slowly. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. All the rest goes into the pot. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Put them in. Stir it up. Oh, the soup is ready. Delicious. Do you want to try some? Delicious. Okay, should we have one more before we go? Let's have a look. Story bag, what's inside the story bag? What is it? It's a bus. What song do you know that's got a bus in it? Yeah, one of your favourites. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut all day long. The children on the bus go chatter, 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 chatter. The children on the bus go chatter, chatter, chatter all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. Now, you can make your own story bag. Just need a bag, put some toys in it that you think might match some songs, and then you can keep singing